Hello everyone. It is said that challenges are the stepping stones on the path of success. And that's the path we Boystonians follow. Why the children should be deprived of their personality development just because the school is running online? Well, the virtual summer camp was the answer. 2 weeks away from academics and engrossed in activities. With great pleasure, we present you the video report of this successful culmination of this fun-filled time.
All work and no play make Jack a dull boy. It is true that academic learning is the foundation of education, but a great school experience goes far beyond writing question and answers.
Boystown Secondary Section extended and expanded the online school experiences of the kids by delivering fun and learn surprise package of the virtual summer camp in the month of May. Now, here I open the Pandora box and out came the activities.
Coding, PPT making, oral communication.
Virtual tour, Vedic maths, handwriting and calligraphy,
art and craft, dance, presentation skill,
physical exercise, fireless cooking.
Gone are the days of dial-dialer landline phones, cordless handsets, and even mobile phones. We all are hooked onto the smartphones, which works like mini computers.
Soon will come the era of artificial intelligence and automation. So, the prodigies wobbled through their baby steps towards the future by creating their own games using Scratch programming.
It is rightly said that every successful project is built on 4 pillars: people, purpose, passion, and presentation.
In the fast-paced life of today, nothing beats PPT in presenting information in an effective manner using visuals and charts.
Oral communication begins when the mother talking to the baby and she is on cloud 9 when the baby responds back.
From then on starts the journey of enhancing oral communication. Practice makes the man perfect. Our students practice oral communication using various tools like vocabulary, grammar, flair, and clarity.
They say, if life is a book, the one who hasn't traveled has only read the preface. But how to travel during this pandemic time?
Well, where there is a will, there is a way. Teachers found out the way of virtual tours to take the students an exciting excursion. Sinhagad, Jaipur, Dubai, all were just a few mouse clicks away.
Children's math phobia diminished as they were introduced to various tricks of Vedic maths. Squares, cubes, and tables were on those little fingertips. Truly, old is gold.
Importance of neat and clean handwriting cannot be undermined even in this era of technology.
Children were presently surprised by seeing the improvement in their handwriting with focused efforts. The teachers introduced them to the calligraphy, which is an interesting art form using letter.
Being creative is not a hobby, it is a way of life. Art has no boundaries.
Children enjoy decorating the switchboards, learn stitching to paintball hanging, and dabble with colors.
The heart of life, and it helps to stay fit too. Dancing facilitates mind-body coordination, flexibility, and improve muscle tone.
But most importantly, it lightens up the mood. Kids who are stuck at home since long time love dancing on Bollywood numbers and Zumba.
Presentation is the key to impress the audience. One can impress someone by decorating the dish, organizing a room, your cupboard, depicting manners and etiquettes in the social circle, and even by introducing yourself confidently.
The pandemic has taught us the importance of self-reliance and immunity. What would be the better way to make our kids aware of both than by introducing them to the fireless cooking?
Colorful salads, biscuit toppings, Gopal Kala, and yummy summer drink. Children tried all these appetizing dishes and served these preparations to their parents for a change.
The biggest downside of online schooling is the lack of physical exercise. But the parents were amazed to see their children performing warm-up exercises, yogasanas, aerobics, meditation, as per the guidance given by the teachers, the live online session.
Brain gyms and fun games.
The teachers also discussed nutritious and diet plans. The importance of physical exercise was underlined by the fact that they were conducted every morning and evening. All in all, the summer camp was
Virtual summer camp formed a hub of rejuvenation, recreation and reinforcement where different activities were clubbed together to make the students improve their concentration, learning, imagination and develop various skills. We noticed that the students were zealous to participate.
The school received an encouraging response and appreciation from parents who were excited and amused to see their children brimming with happiness.